Hi, welcome to my channel about physiotechnique, embedded systems and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. This video is focused on my Raspberry Pi 2 Model B+, connected via network cable, band cable and serial cable. And while it's running Raspberry Pi OS, it's connected through VNC and network to Fedora Linux, and the objective is to get C++, no, C#, not C++, running and activating stuff via the band cable. Last time I tried to do so and got quite a few errors, and doing my project with the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B+, also C#, I found out why, so I'm going to change that with this one as well. Difference is that with this model, with this Raspberry Pi 2, I doing something graphics, while on the Raspberry Pi 1 I stay just command line interface. So let me switch to the screencast so I can show you things that may happen. So screencast, and if you've seen this before, it looks of course quite familiar. This is the serial cable, let me give it a name, Minicom. Then obviously the virtual network computing environment with running the C# code, and this is running from my file server. This is the name for my file server with the directory it is in, so which is not very important, but this is actually nicely running. And of course the webcam showing Raspberry Pi, and this is on my laptop Mono Develop, where I developed the code. And I run the code, which it won't. The point is, I should get it, by the way. Let me do it again. Build. Yeah, 1 error. Okay, this I found out via the Raspberry Pi 1. This is the problem. I have to remove this and replace the package with another package. So remove, and another remove. And I have to add for GPIO another package, which is, and I have to scroll down for this, okay, this is strange because with the other project I could easily find it, and now I can't. So I have to find it, and I'll do it off camera. So I have now found the packages for the control of the GPIO, which I also use for my other project, Raspberry Pi, and I've copied part of the code. So this and this is strictly for controlling the GPIO, which by the way is, this one, which by the way is for this connector. Well, yeah, connector. I have to still compile it, build, See, now all errors are gone because I changed the package. I will ignore this one and I will run it. And it should run by means of a console that opens somehow. Is it though? No. So the question is, if I close this one, what will happen? Well, this happens. Well, the question is though, what is this doing right now? And I think it's doing nothing because it's in the console, but in the console I see nothing. Especially not an eye coming. So that's a bit strange. Is this a console? No, this is in a window, so probably I should change this code, because this is really from the Raspberry Pi 1 copied, and that is a console. So I need to change that. And then I noticed something else. While I uncomment these two lines and add this graphics word, I end, after building and running, where I again see nothing on this display, but in the virtual network, I end the graphical display, and this whole thing starts in the console. So this is being shown, and I end it, and here you see up to 100. So let's get it passed by. And when it reaches 99 it should end. So it's not entirely what I intend to do. Yep, there it goes. Because it is nicer to have it in that window, but it is functional. On the other hand, I do not have an LED right here. Also, this end is not connected yet, so I have to find out how I can best do that. But anyway, something is coming. After quite a bit of searching how to do things, because I'm not that familiar yet with Java, or more precisely C#, which is a lookalike of Java in some way. It shows that things can compile correctly, but not do what you expect. I have created a second text view. Try to do things into the text view and it doesn't work. So I save again. Let me put this away because it's not in time. See, this is still working. This is not what I want. So let me do again a build. 0 errors. Run. And unhandled exception. Well, that is why it doesn't work at all. And yep, so I'm going to put something different into the text view number 2 and see if that works out. So I add this one. Wait to end of process, and I end it and it terminates. So now I say text view 2 buffer dot text is and I say once again hello world graphics because I want it in. The other text that is already in is something that I put into the graphics. So I put it right in here, but not from this way. So now let's see whatever happens. That is not working out. Unexpected symbol. Yeah, okay. Zero errors. So can I run this? No. So this won't have any effect then. No, it doesn't. So I think I better remove this one. Let me end this. And process. Okay. Another attempt. Run. Another application output. Something is not quite happy with line 17 apparently. Here. Okay. Well, not okay, but let's see what happens this time. Still no text. Okay. Need to find out obviously what's going on. This is what's happening when you're trying to learn a language. Okay, it turns out that the problem is not the graphical part, it is the GPIO part that is in this part of the code, and it's not happy. As soon as I comment everything of the GPIO out of it, the main window is actually running nicely on the laptop as well as right here. So that is one thing. Okay. And then something starts on yes and process. So let me just add some more text views, put the text into them and then see what happens. I have finally made a result or achieved a result, being that the text that I wanted is displayed in the respective text field boxes, but it is not the way I anticipated it to do, because I did try to get it in here in the main program. However, the text you will see here and of course in here, this one is on the laptop, this one is on the Raspberry Pi, is put right here. So everything, all that text is put in here, which doesn't make it any easier for me. But if this is the only way I can put text in it, so be it. So I can remove some text here. Then next thing is, how do I get the lines, the counting in there? That's quite a different thing. But it has taken me over, well, quite a bit of time to finally realize I have to put it in here instead of in the program. And this is the source code of what you see here in the designer. So, and by the way, adding things in the designer just like this gave me lots of errors. So yeah, it's kind of working. And next step is trying to get the counting in here, but that's something for a different time. I haven't done anything with the breadboard, not even connected it, but I have achieved some results where it concerns the graphics, although as said, not the way I expected it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notifications. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please support by either PayPal or Ko-fi.com or becoming a patron for €2 or $2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued because I want to have that GPIO in action. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.